I've seen you before. I've seen you before.
Hi, we're in the northern part of Costa Rica right now. About to go to a beautiful, beautiful hidden gem called Bosque del
Termales del Bosque.
Okay, so we've just arrived in the northern part of Costa Rica, close to Arenal, close to San Jose, in between actually, a little closer to Arenal than San Jose, but we've reached Termales del Bosque, right? This is a natural spring, not too touristy, very, very, very nice, and this is the entrance.
I love the way you rock out and roll. Again, you got the wine and you got the flex that make me lose control. I know you're ready for this. Oh, can you have the flex tonight? And when you wine in the mirror,
Okay, this is 1 minute later. We've just arrived at the entrance, just along this path, and there's going to be a bunch of pools to check out. The love heart shaped pool. So just look at this river around here. Just keep going down. And you can kind of see people over there in between the bushes. They're sitting in pools right now. That'd be nice.
Whiny girl, wine like you better like money. Whiny, whiny girl, whiny, whiny girl. Tick-tock and balance money. Can no girl can wine like you. Bubble up cause you want the glow. The man, them a mad over you. Oh, 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 oh.
the girl them a roll out hot for the summer. Body full of shape, everything look proper. Modeling a want to see which one hotter. Every girl wants to be the showstopper. The girl them a roll out hot for the summer. Body full of shape, everything look proper. Modeling a want to see which one hotter. Every girl wants to be the showstopper.
So come whiny, whiny girl, whiny, whiny girl. Wine like you better like money. Whiny, whiny girl, whiny.
We just finished our time at this Termas del Bosque. It was very, very, very relaxing. You'll see the pools. You've seen the pools already. We got a massage. It was beautiful. Would recommend it to everybody. Three-course meal, breakfast included, and then this for free. What a deal!